Hey, this is Bray with Pontoon Deck Boat magazine. I am on a truly unique pontoon, nothing like we've ever quite seen before. It's called the Sport Angler from JC Tritoon. Let's take a closer look. We got the dual Garmin touchscreens. Of course, that's just a nice look. We've seen that on other Tritoon models. But another feature that we like, this has the joystick. This is a QMI product. And man, those guys are great. They've been partnering with JC for years on some really innovative stuff. But this has a thruster system. It's simple to use, really easy to follow. It actually has 4 in each corner, and just a simple twist of this knob, and this thing will turn on a dime. Just another really unique feature that we like to see. Boat Outfitters, they're a division of Teak Isle. They have really dialed in this boat. A lot of their work is on display here. We got tackle storage here, and just unique storage compartments everywhere you look. Just a really nice touch, and really adds to the quality of this fishing boat. Now TraxTech has a lot of nice products as well. These are your rod holders, place for your net, and then back here, this is another Teak Isle product. They created a system here. Wash down your boat. They thought of everything on this model. Now this is a heavier boat than a traditional pontoon. That's why we have the Suzuki 350 on the back. Let's not forget, this thing does handle like a JC pontoon. We were diving in the corners, plenty of power, a lot of fun to drive. And really, this is an angler's dream. This is a fabulous model. I think JC really nailed it with this one. We enjoyed testing it. For other videos, check back to p2bmagazine.com, and we'll see you out on the water.